Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing another Valentine set with this Rose Nude acrylic powder for my collection. So it's still the Valentine season and I promised to do another acrylic set for Valentine. So this is it. The nail tips I used are pre-shaped tips that I bought from Alibaba. Alibaba is a bigger version of AliExpress and they sell only in large quantities. So if you want to buy anything from Alibaba, it has to be in large quantities. I'm sure by now you're used to my application techniques, so I won't be showing you the way I applied all the 5 fingers. I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long, so I'll just be showing you me applying acrylics on 3 fingernails. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, nail product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. So, if you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. You can also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. My normal upload days on YouTube are Mondays and Thursdays, but if I have a review video, I upload on Saturdays as well. But this week I decided to do a 7 days upload on YouTube, and this should be the 5th day. If you have been watching my videos from the 1st of February when I started till now, thank you very much. I really appreciate your support for always coming back to watch my content. If you are watching my channel for the first time as well, I appreciate your decision to watch this video. I would also like to appeal to you that you watch this video to the end, as this helps my YouTube analytics. I'll be doing a little bit of drawing on this set, which I normally don't like. I don't like drawing, but since I'm a nail technician, I can't avoid it. I must draw whether I like it or not. So it might not be that perfect, but I know it's going to be good. So if you're always wondering why my videos are a little bit kind of noisy, like the background is always noisy, I live in Lagos State, Nigeria, and I stay in the capital of Lagos State, that is Ikeja. So it's a very busy place. I find it very difficult to get a quiet time to edit my videos, and that's why most times I always have background noise in my videos. So this is like the 4th or the 5th Valentine set I'm uploading on my channel. Kindly let me know in the comment section which one you prefer or the one you like the most. I've created a red themed Valentine set. I've created the nude and the red theme. I've also created the orange and the teal green or teal blue, and this is the pink Valentine set I'm creating. So which of these colors do you like the most? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you are here to see those sets I'm talking about, I'll be dropping the link here so that you can check them once you're done with this video. Thank you. In case you're wondering why my acrylic videos are usually long, this is because it takes a longer time to do an acrylic set, and most of these videos, or all of my videos are acrylics. I usually have to edit them to make them shorter, so you are even seeing the shorter version of the video.
Away.
So I fired off camera not to make this video unnecessarily long, and I'll be using that Vanessa gel polish to do the little drawing I'll be doing on this set. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this part. I'll be writing love, L-O-V, on these nails. I don't have a pen, so I'll be using my dotting tool to pick the gel polish and write on the nails. This dotting tool that I'm using, I think, is the smallest size that I have. Remember I said I don't like drawing, so I'm just trying my best to make it look nice. After writing, I'll be using my nail art brush to straighten the edges and the sides.
Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. Tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that, nothing I can do for my baby, anytime.
Before curing the gel polish, I'll be pouring this acrylic powder on it. This is the same acrylic powder I used to make this set. If you're still watching this video and you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. So after pouring the acrylic powder on this gel polish, I'll just dust it up a bit. I'll cure it in a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Then I'll bring it out and dust it properly. I usually cure for 30 seconds because my lamp is a 168 watt UV lamp. So after curing, I'll draw out on these nails. Repeat this same process.
Empire.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm all alive. If them point gun to my head, say make I deny you, I go tell them say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, loma get stuck on my love ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, toyi tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe rempe jo wo ma se mi le she yeah.
Rhinestone Application.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm all alive. If them point gun to my head, say make I deny you, I go tell them say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, Anytime when you need me come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, loma get stuck on my love ewo, body on jet, ataro do mo ide pepe dem ha, toyi tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe rempe jo wo ma se mi le she yeah.
Rhinestone Application.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you.
I'll be attaching few rhinestones on the set, and I'll be using this nail glue by Venalisa. If you like the song I've been playing, it's a cover song by Christine Ini, and she's a YouTuber as well. You can check her out on YouTube. I'll be dropping a link in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share with anyone that might be interested in learning something new. This nail glue is not the air dry type. It can only be cured in the UV lamp or LED lamp. So after applying the rhinestones, I'll be curing it for 60 seconds.
Glitterspolish Empire.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment. Till next time, bye.
Glitterspolish Empire.
Away.